Ever stared at your YNAB budget, a sea of red, and wondered, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Overspending happens, even to the most dedicated budgeters. But the real question is, how do you track that overspending, figure out where the leaks are, and plug them up before they sink your financial ship? Let's be honest, those red numbers can be intimidating. You open YNAB, hoping for a clean slate, and boom, a visual reminder that you've strayed from the plan. But ignoring it won't make it disappear. In fact, it'll probably get worse. So, let's tackle this head-on. First, understand what overspending actually means in YNAB. It's not just spending more than you planned. It's spending more than what you had available in that specific category at the time of the transaction. YNAB uses the envelope system, which means you can only spend what's already in the envelope. If you dip into another envelope or create a negative balance, that's overspending. Now, let's get to the tracking. The easiest way to spot overspending is, of course, the big red numbers in your budget. But don't just stare at them. Dig deeper. Click on the category with overspending and look at the transaction history. This will show you exactly which transactions caused the overspend. Ask yourself, was it a one-off splurge? A recurring expense you underestimated? Or was it a sign that your budget category needs adjusting? Maybe you need to allocate more funds to that category each month. Next, understand the difference between cash overspending and credit card overspending. Cash overspending directly reduces your available cash, and YNAB will prompt you to cover it from another category. Credit card overspending, on the other hand, adds to your credit card balance. YNAB will move the overspending amount from your available column in the category to your credit card payment category, ensuring you have the funds to pay it back. One of the most powerful tools for tracking overspending is the Reports feature. Go to Reports and select Spending. You can filter by category, date range, and even payee. This allows you to see patterns in your spending. Are you consistently overspending in dining out? Groceries? Entertainment? Identifying these patterns is crucial for making lasting changes. Another way to track is to use the search function. You can search for specific payees or keywords related to your overspending. For example, if you suspect you're overspending on coffee, search for coffee or the name of your favorite coffee shop. This will give you a quick overview of how much you're spending in that area. Finally, don't be afraid to adjust your budget. YNAB is designed to be flexible. If you consistently find yourself overspending in a particular category, it's time to reevaluate your budget. Maybe you need to increase your allocation, or maybe you need to find ways to cut back in other areas. The key is to be honest with yourself and make adjustments as needed. Remember, overspending is a learning opportunity. It's a sign that your budget needs tweaking. By actively tracking your overspending, you can gain valuable insights into your spending habits and make informed decisions about your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.